Hello guys, welcome to our AI powered credit risk assessment model, a smart solution designed to help financial companies to assess the credit risk of their customers efficiently and accurately. This AI agent can be used by banks, lending institutions, and financial organizations. To begin with, we first browse the dataset and upload it, typically an Excel file. It contains customer data such as demographics and financial data. After uploading, we can preview the data to verify the columns and sample records. Once confirmed, we click on the upload option to feed the dataset into our AI system. Now the data is ready for credit risk prediction. The next step is to select the customer ID, in this case employee ID, a unique ID that helps the model to identify and assess the specific individual credit risk. After selecting the ID, we can click on the evaluate selected ID. AI model evaluates and displays the result based on the customer risk level. The model identifies high risk level, then the loan application can be rejected. If it is medium, it can be manually reviewed, and if it is low, then it can be approved confidently. It also provides a section called Key Drivers that represent the major factors influencing the customer risk score, such as annual income, debt-to-income ratio, credit score, and monthly installment, such that the factors that are affecting the risk level are all displayed in the section Key Drivers. In addition, it also provides suggestions for customers with higher risk, showing how they can reduce their risk level, for example, by improving their credit score or increasing their income, etc. Based on the recommendations provided by the model, we can verify them by clicking on the selected ID feature values, where it displays each employee ID, all the columns, all the values that are present in the Excel sheet, where we can verify the credit score, etc. values and analyze them to reduce the risk level to the lower. For model reviewing purpose, in this demo, we are now evaluating another employee ID. We select the new customer ID and click on Evaluate Select ID to check on the credit risk prediction level. The system has predicted this customer is having a medium risk level. This means in this case, it requires a manual review before making a final loan decision. Along with this result, AI model display the key drivers that are important factors that have been influencing the customer risk score. It also provides suggestions on how the customer can lower their risk level. And now, in this case, the result came as medium risk level. That means we have to evaluate the model manually. To test the model manually, we also have an option manual testing for prediction, enter values and evaluate, where we can modify different values and evaluate the results again. In this case, we are changing the credit score and income level to observe how these changes will affect the overall risk prediction. By clicking on Predict Manually, the system re-evaluates and shows the updated risk level and the decision outcome. Here again, the result shown as medium risk level, suggesting the loan should be reviewed manually again. We can continue experimenting with different input levels until the desired risk reduction is achieved. We can also see the key drivers factors that are influencing the decision, and by clicking on the full driver table, where we can view all the factors that are influencing the decision for this manual analysis, this table will provide a clear understanding of how each variable impacts the overall credit risk. It also provides suggestions to reduce the customer risk to a lower level. In addition, the application also includes an overall score analysis section. Here, the entire data set is categorized into high, medium, and low risk levels, giving a summary of all customer risk profiles. The platform also offers flexibility to download separate Excel files for each of the category: high risk, medium risk, and low risk customers. This will help financial teams to easily identify and prioritize different customer segments. In this way, our AI-powered credit risk assessment model provides complete visibility from individual evaluation to overall data analysis. In conclusion, our model serves as a powerful tool for financial institutions to make faster and more accurate lending decisions. It simplifies the entire credit evaluation process. I hope you all liked our video. Thank you for providing us this opportunity.